Are you tired of spending endless hours to find the perfect flight? Luckily, we have a game changer for you today. Introducing Google Flight. With Google Flights, you can easily book tickets. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the entire process of how to use Google Flights. That being said, let's get started. Now, to use Google Flights, just click on the first link below this video, and then you'll be taken to this dashboard. Now, to start using Google Flights, click on round trip and choose the type of ticket you are looking for. From the drop-down menu, we have 3 different options for your ticket. We have a round trip, a one-way trip, and also a multi-city trip. If you are traveling to more than one location, you can select the multi-city option, and then another flight section will pop up. You can also add more than one locations by selecting the add flight button here, and if you want to cancel this, you can select the start button here. Now I'll go with a one-way trip. Now click on the passenger icon to select how many tickets you need. You can easily add or subtract passengers using the plus or the minus button here. Once you are done selecting the number of passengers going on the trip, just select done. Click on the economy tab to select the class of ticket you are looking for. I'll go with a first class trip. Now select the name of the city or airport you want to fly out of here, and then select your final destination here. On this option, this is where you are going to choose the date you want to leave. And now if you are choosing a round trip ticket, you also select the day you are going to return. I'm choosing a one-way trip, so let's select that. Once all your data and info is into the flight sections, to begin your search, just select the search button here, and you will see a list of flights on the next page. You can also create a Google Flight Alert to track the prices of this flight by toggling on the track prices here. What this does is you get an email notification on your device every time the price of the flight drops or increases. Now, to continue booking your trip, just select the flight from the airline you want. As you can see, we only have British Airways taking this trip. If we scroll down, you can also see different other airlines that are taking this same trip. So once you select the trip you want, I'll go with this. On the next page, you will see relevant information such as baggage cost and other different things you should know about the ticket you are booking for. Under the booking option, once you have read all the important information and you are satisfied with this trip, just select the continue button here, and then you will be directed to the airline site where you can easily purchase your ticket from. See you in the next video. Safe flight. Bye bye.